NHPC Limited, it's a Miniratna company, a government of India enterprise, recruitment for different vacancies. And before we get into that, let's see the important dates. The application date starts from 1st of September 10 am and it will end on 30/9/2021 at 11:55 pm. So the number of vacancies for different this is senior medical officer. It requires experience, that is 2 years of experience, and also MBBS degree with a valid registration number. And the maximum age limit is 33 years. These are the vacancies, total 13 vacancies, SC 2 vacancies, OBC 5 vacancies. And for assistant Rajya Sabha officer, even cadre, the essential qualification is master's degree from any recognized university in Hindi with English as elective subject at the degree level or master's level. And the criteria for age is 35 years, total of 7 vacancies. For SC category 1 vacancy, for ST category 1 vacancy, for OBC there are 5 vacancies. So this is assistant Rajya Sabha officer, pay scale of 40,000 to 1,40,000. Essential qualification is master's degree in Indian University with English as elective. Now we are looking for this post, junior engineer civil. The pay scale is around 29,600 to 1,19,500. The requisite qualification is full-time regular diploma in civil engineering or with minimum 60% or equivalent grade. So the maximum age limit is 30 years to 68 vacancies. SC category 11 vacancies, ST 4, OBC 19 vacancies, for EWS 6 vacancies, and for unreserved 28 vacancies. This is for junior engineer civil. This is full-time regular diploma in civil engineering is required. For junior engineer electrical, that is the basic pay scale is around 29,600 to 1,19,500. The essential criteria, that is educational criteria, is diploma in electrical engineering from any recognized institutes with 60% marks or equivalent grade. So, and knowledge of AutoCAD is an added advantage. If you want to apply for this, you should have a knowledge of AutoCAD. That is not desirable or not essential, but it is desirable. So the average criteria is 30 years, total of 34 vacancies, and the classification of vacancies: SC 4 posts, ST 3 vacancies, and OBC 8 vacancies, EWS 3 vacancies, and for unreserved 15 vacancies. So this is junior engineering electrical, junior engineer mechanical. The requisite qualification is diploma in mechanical engineering with 60% marks or equivalent grade, and 30 years is age criteria, total of 31 vacancies, SC category 5 vacancies, SC 2 vacancies, OBC 6, EWS 3, and unreserved 15 vacancies. So for senior accountant S1, the intermediate CA or CMA pass are eligible to apply. The age criteria is 30 years, total of 20 vacancies, and SC category 2 vacancies, C2, OBC 2, EWS 2, unreserved 12. So this is regarding the number of vacancies for different categories, that is, and also different posts: senior medical officer, assistant Rajya Sabha officer, junior engineer civil, electrical, mechanical, senior accountant. And the compensation package and application fees. Let's see the application fees. Application fees is 250 rupees for general, EWS and OBC, and SC, ST, PWD, ex-servicemen category need not to pay any registration fees. A candidate will be placed at the project or power station, including the joint venture subsidiary companies of NHPC in various parts or abroad. So This is regarding the placement and steps for applying. You need to go to official website and you need to apply online. The selection, the candidates who are registered online will have, selection will be based on computer test, that is online test. Based on the merit of online test, the final selected candidates will be offered offer of appointment. So there is no interview for this. So the written test is the major criteria for the selection procedure for all these posts, and the test centers all over India, that is 22 cities. These are the test centers. Name of the cities: Ahmedabad, Bangalore, Bhopal, Bhubaneswar, Chandigarh, Chennai, Dehradun, Delhi, Gangtok, Guwahati, Hyderabad, Itanagar, Jaipur, Jammu, Kochi, Kolkata, Lucknow, Mumbai, Panaji, Ranchi, Raipur and Shimla. So these are the test centers will be held for online examination, and the scheme of examination is computer based test. For the examination will be for the duration of 3 hours, that is 180 minutes, a total of 200 marks. For senior medical officer, junior, that is junior engineer, civil, electrical, mechanical and senior account, 200 questions will be there and 200 marks. Part 1, Part 2, Part 3 classification. Part 1 consists of 140 MCQs of concerned discipline, and Part 2 will be 30 MCQs on general awareness, and Part 3 will be 30 MCQs on reasoning. So this is the examination scheme for medical officer, junior engineer and senior accountant. For assistant Rajya Sabha officer, for the post there will be 110 questions. Part 1 will consist of 40 MCQs of the concerned discipline and 10 descriptive type questions, and Part 2 consists of 30 MCQs on general awareness, and Part 3 will consist of 30 MCQs on reasoning. So this is for assistant Rajya Sabha officer, and there will be a penalty of 0.25 for every negative marking, and all the descriptive type of questions will have 10 marks each without any negative marking for Rajya Sabha officer, that is assistant Rajya Sabha officer. And the age criteria is relaxable to 5 years for SC/ST and 3 years for OBC, and 10 years for PWD General, 13 years for PWD OBC and 15 years for PWD SC/ST. So SC/ST and PWD candidates with 50% of marks in qualifying exam are eligible to apply for this post, and upper age limit is relaxable to 5 years for the candidates who belong to the state of Jammu and Kashmir. And this is regarding the NHPC recruitment for junior engineer, senior medical officer, assistant Rajya Sabha officer and senior accountant. The link for the apply online will be given in the description. Please do click the link. You will be directed to the official site of NHPC Limited.